it's me and Leyza again, and today we're going to be making the viral Japanese cheesecake. So, to make the cheesecake, we're going to need Greek yogurt, cream cheese, and biscoffs. First, we're going to start with mixing these together. Now we're going to pour the mixture in this bowl. I'm going to add some sugar syrup because I want to make it my own way. I'm not sure if this is going to taste good or bad, but we'll see. Now we're going to be adding biscoff. Now I'm going to put this in the fridge for 12 hours. So I'll show you the results tomorrow. Now it's time to get our cheesecake out of the fridge. And I can't wait to see what it tastes like. I think it will taste a bit different than real cheesecake. So let's see. Alright. Whoa. Wow. Okay, now it's time to taste it. It tastes like real cheesecake. It's so good. It tastes so good. And it's so easy to make it. So I think you should try this at home too.